Hello lovely viewers, today on Culinary Crossroads we are making super easy hazelnut spread oatmeal cookies. Just with very few ingredients, we will have delicious and super tasty cookies to enjoy. So let's dive into this quick and delightful treat. First, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Let's see the ingredients: oats, butter, hazelnut spread, and Chocochips. In a bowl, combine softened butter and hazelnut spread. Hazelnut spread will bring that rich, nutty flavor. Heat gently until just melted. In a large mixing bowl, add melted butter and chocolate mixture. Then add delicious oats. Mix until just combined. Oats will add a lovely texture to the cookies. Then add vanilla extract and choco chips. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until everything is well combined. Enjoy the lovely aroma as you mix. Let's do a check if our cookie dough is ready. Take a small portion of cookie dough in hand and form a ball. If it doesn't break, dough is perfect. Bring in the parchment lined cookie sheet. Now using a cookie scoop or your hands, scoop out portions of the dough and shape them into small, equally sized balls. Place them on the prepared baking sheet, leaving a bit of space between each cookie. Using the back of a fork or your fingers, gently flatten each cookie to your desired thickness. This will help them bake evenly. Bake in the preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on them to ensure they don't overbake. The baked cookie tray is out from oven and cookies look great. Sometimes it may happen that cookies lose shape and spread out. So I will share a quick tip here to make it right. While cookies are cooling, just take a cookie cutter and start rounding it from the edges in circular motion. This will bring back round shape of a cookie and will keep them intact. Let cookies cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. They might be a bit soft at first but will firm up as they cool. So there you have it. Quick, easy and incredibly tasty hazelnut spread oatmeal cookies with just very few ingredients. Enjoy it with your coffee or tea, or you simply dunk in hot milk and have them for breakfast. This also makes for an excellent gift. Store cookies in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. If you loved making these eggless cookies, please like, share and subscribe for more simple recipes on Culinary Crossroads, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a sweet treat. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and until next time, happy baking!